impromptu magic trick. So I just get a deck of cards from my friend, get to do a magic trick. Okay. Alright, so I have your cards. Shuffle them up. Alright. So now tell me when to stop. Stop. Okay, this will be your card. The four of spades, sorry. And so now I want you to tell me how many times to cut. Once, twice, 3 times? 3 times is good? Okay, so 3 times. Alright. So this is the story of what happens in 2012. 3 different tribes of people ended up surviving. Each tribe had 7 million people. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Nobody knew on either tribe if the other tribe existed. They all thought they were the only people left in the world. So, when they all somehow managed to all land on one island, it was a miracle. At first they didn't know where they were, but then they all saw each other. They started deciding, are they good? Are they bad? What are they going to do to us? Are they friendly? We don't know. So, the gods thought they spent too long deciding. So what they ended up doing was the gods threw them all together and said, decide. They didn't decide. So the gods sent another terrible tidal wave and split apart all 3 tribes on different islands with no food, no water. The tribes got furious. They were like, the other tribes, they must have done this. It's their fault. So which tribe has your person in it? This one? Which one? This one? Okay. Well, that's unfortunate because your tribe, he got attacked from the front. They got attacked from the front by them. They got attacked from the back by them. They were sandwiched, they were fighting, and then at the end, they all of them, they all perished. They all died, except for one body, wriggling up from the depths. He survived.